We are going to talk about your number one priority as a brand new business owner. Okay, I want you to make sure that you tap the bell, subscribe, make sure that you get notified every single Monday when we come out with a brand new video here on Uncensored Sales TV. So my name is Ryan Dowdy and I am a sales coach, and I help brand new entrepreneurs build six-figure businesses by mastering your sales conversation and your mindset. And I want to talk about priorities in business this week because I get so many questions and so many mixed messages out there from you guys that I want to talk about your number one priority. When you are brand new to business, the first thing that you need to focus on is making money. What? Yes, your number one priority as a brand new business owner is going out there and making money. So it is not fine-tuning a niche, building a website, starting a blog, starting a podcast, starting a YouTube channel, building a Facebook community, any of those other things that I see a lot of brand new entrepreneurs doing that I think they're doing because they think it will be easier to make money if they have those things. And while yes, at some point in your business, those things will become important, they're not when you're brand new, because your first priority is to figure out how to make money. How do I legitimize this business, right? I talk about sales and I talk about mindset, but really that first $100, $1,000, $5,000 is really about building that belief in yourself that you are a business owner, that you can make money doing what you love, and that the skills that you have are valuable and people will pay you for them. That is literally your first priority. Anything after that or everything else can come after that. Once you have figured out, okay, brain, I get this, I know how to make money. So that number one priority is to make money. And then the question comes, okay, Ryan, well, how do I make money? If I knew how to make money, I wouldn't be sitting here watching your YouTube video. I got you. No problem. How do we make money, my friends? We make money by talking to people. We make money by selling one-to-one. What do I mean by that? We go out, we shake hands with someone virtually or in person. We jump on a call or we sit down and have a cup of coffee with them. We determine if we're a fit to work together. And then if we are a fit to work together, we make an invitation, right? It's very simple, but it often gets overcomplicated and convoluted and watered down out there in marketing land on the internet. But I really want you thinking about this idea of my number one priority is to make money. How do I go out and make money? And it's by talking to people. And it is by becoming an interesting person. It is by building a network, right? That is the difference between what I think is marketing and sales, right? So marketing is this idea of talking to a lot of people, getting the attention of a lot of people. That's marketing. Sales is getting the 2 to 3 clients that you need to get this month to hit your revenue goal. And that is really about shaking hands, talking to people, connecting, providing value, and really becoming a business owner, becoming a person who provides value to your people. So how do we do that? All right. How do we do that? The first thing I want you to do, and we talked about this in last week's video, is being really, really clear on the problem that you solve for people. And then you go out and you tell as many people as possible that you are a social media manager and you help X kind of brands do this, or you are a bookkeeper who helps this type of business do this, or you're a health coach that helps busy moms do this, right? And you go out and you tell people that, and you shake hands and you practice saying it over and over and over again until you have somebody to say, that's really interesting. I think I have that problem. Can I learn more about that? And then you are in a sales conversation. This isn't a marketing conversation, it's a sales conversation. But as soon as you can get it under your belt and you can make a couple $1,000s, then you can start thinking about big picture. You can start thinking about a niche. You can start thinking about, where do I take my business from here? But if you are thinking about or spending your time right now in your business on anything other than that number one priority, which is to figure out how to make some cash and start building belief in yourself that you are a business owner and people will pay you for what you do, I honestly think that you're wasting time and you are really just making yourself feel productive. And I know that we all want to feel productive. I totally fell victim to this early on in my journey, that we wanted to feel productive. We wanted to feel like it was working well. So I'm going to give you some examples of what this looks like so you have some tangible action items. My number one priority is to make sure that you make money. So the first thing that I would do if I were brand new to business and I were starting all over is I would make sure that my warm market, the people that I already know that I was starting a business. That would be my number one priority, because there are already people that know me, like me, and trust me, right? People buy from people they know, like, and trust. Well, I already have a network of people that know me, like me, and trust me. So if I can tell those people what that I am doing, that I have started a business being a bookkeeper or a digital marketer or a freelancer or a health coach or a business coach, if I can let people know that that's what I'm doing and who I'm looking for and the problem that I solve and who I want to talk to, I'm going to be able to make money so much faster than focusing on trying to go find new people who have no idea who I am, that don't know anything about about me and trying to pull them in and get them to build that relationship. That is the difference between sales and marketing, right? We sell to people we know. We market to bring in strangers. And while talking to strangers is important and it definitely needs to be part of your strategy, so many new entrepreneurs that I work with are out there focused on, I've got to find these strangers and I've got to get these strangers into my world, that they're not even talking to the people that already know them, right? And they're like, well, I don't have any business owner friends or anything like that. Doesn't matter. You never know who people you know. And that's the word know in one sentence a lot, and I know that. But think about it. If you were to tell your best friend that you started a business, she's not a business owner, right? But maybe her husband is, maybe her uncle is, maybe her father is, maybe her sister is, or maybe she is part of a networking organization that she can bring you to and you can meet more new people. But so many people don't want to put their new business out there because they're terrified of failing, that they're not letting the people that can help them find those first clients and get that first dollar, $100, $500, $5,000 in their business because they want to figure it out on their own, or because they think that they need to be hiding behind some sort of marketing. So your number one priority in your brand new business is to make money. And the fastest way to make money is to make sure that the people that already know you know that you have a business and know that the problem that you solve, and they know how they can help you. So it's okay to tell your friends and family that you have a business and that you would love an introduction to anybody who has this problem, or anybody who does this, or anybody who's an avid networker, right? I love to meet just other avid networkers because they know a lot of people. And so I know in that one coffee chat, I might get access to hundreds more people who might be potential clients of mine, right? So start thinking about this idea of building a network and talking to the people that are in your current circle. And then we go out and we start talking about people, talking to strangers and pulling those strangers in and really focusing on the marketing part of growing your business. But that is not your number one priority. Your number one priority, make money. Find a way to make money, find a way to get clients, find a way to do that as quickly as possible. Start building confidence, start building belief, start building a network, and then we can start layering on some of that more marketing-driven activity in your business. If you are watching this when it comes out, which is Monday, May 4th, then you still have time to register for the Book More Discovery Calls Challenge, which is actually an entire workshop that I am leading that's totally free. And we're going to spend 5 days talking about how to book those sales calls. So some of the stuff that I talked about in this video, but then we're also going to talk about that idea of networking and growing the network. And then of course, how do we make those invitations and pull people into our world, which is a super important part of this. So I would love for you to register for the Book More Discovery Calls workshop. There is a link down below. Make sure that you register. 5 full days jam-packed of amazing training that is built to make you money, which, what do you know, is your number one priority in your business. So make sure that you register for that so you can get your workbook, so you can get into the Sales Skills for Women in Business Facebook community. Also, we would love if you would come follow us over on Instagram at Uncensored Sales. And don't forget to tap the bell, subscribe, so you never miss a video all about making you more money and building a 6-figure business as a brand new entrepreneur. And I'll see you in our next video.